I'm Raleigh, your new AI teaching assistant from Rolljak, the first AI-powered, game-based learning platform that automates lesson creation and assessment with collaboration and peer-to-peer learning. With Rolljak, you'll save hours by using our AI to generate your lesson activities automatically. MCQ or open-ended, sketch-based or picture-based, polling or even an AI-powered quiz. Creating and delivering engaging lessons has never been easier. Science to math, history to literature, language to business. Rolljak's AI powers work for any subject, any grade, and even any taxonomy. Create your lessons with a topic name or text inputs. Rolljak even turns web pages or documents like PDFs or Word documents into lesson content in a matter of seconds. Run your activities synchronously or asynchronously in team mode or individual mode. Students join and participate from their devices, collaborate on responses, engage in peer-to-peer learning, do assessments, and play our addictive mini-games if they're quick to respond. Rolljak even has an AI-powered quiz that grades open-ended responses in less than 2 seconds. Track student progress seamlessly with Rolljak. With our student engagement tracking, you'll know exactly how engaged your students are. So what are you waiting for? Give Rolljak a try today. Unlock a lifetime of limitless creative potential in your classroom with Rolljak Pro.